Hi, my name is Dennis Huizing and I work for LeapFunder. We are an angel platform where about 1,500 active angels invest in startups. So 3 tips about fundraising, right? First tip is always actively communicate that you are doing well. Investors are looking for a great opportunity, but they won't know that you are that great opportunity unless you tell them. So first step is always communicate about your success. Tip 2 about fundraising is have a long list of potential investors. I've come across a lot of startups who are talking to 1 or 2 investors that they know for sure are going to invest, and then by focusing on those investors, they kind of alienate other potential investors. So you want to always keep your eyes and ears open for people who might be interested in you when you add them to a very long list. Tip 3 about fundraising is you are in charge. So you as a founder decide the moment of when you want to fundraise. The alternative is that you let an investor come up to you and then he or she says, I want to invest in you, and you drop everything and you start talking to them, negotiating with them. That's not what you want to do. You want to have your business plan and you want to decide, okay, I need to fundraise in 2 or 3 months, and a little bit, 4 to 6 weeks before that, that's when you start actively reaching out to that, that long list that you already have. So those are the 3 tips that you can learn at Venture Cafe.
Want more details? Attend our sessions, which can be found on venturecaferotterdam.org. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips. See you in the next video.